Hi, my name is Creighton Tuzio, and today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Schoology. First, I'm going to show you your classes and materials. So here I have my 5th period ELA class pulled up. If you want to get there, you're going to start from this page. You're going to click on the 3 lines in the top left corner, go to Courses, click on the course you want to see, and then it'll bring it to there. If you want to see your materials, you're going to click on this folder, and then it'll show you all the assignments that you need to do in that folder. Let's say you want to submit something. So I have a math bell ringer here that I need to submit. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Export, and if you have two or more pages, you're going to hit Export All Pages. But if you only have one, you can just click Export Current Page. So you're going to click on that, hit Export, go to External Apps, and I want to export it to Schoology, so I'm going to hit the Schoology icon, submit to assignment, and then I'm going to click on the course that I have it in, and then after it's done loading, you're going to find the assignment that it is, and it's bell ringer 142. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to pop up with that, and you're going to hit upload. Now let's say your teacher says you haven't submitted it, but you know you have. So you're going to go there, you're going to go to that class, you're going to go to the assignment, and then you're going to click on it, and then it'll bring you to this screen, and then if you know you submitted it and you want to see, you're going to go to submissions, and clearly I have submitted it lots of times. Now if you want to see your updates, going to updates is easy. You just click on this and go to recent activity. Usually when you get on the Schoology app, it'll go straight to your updates. Like one update that Miss Cabine sent out is please bring your iPad chargers to school with you on Friday. You need to bring both pieces, the charging cable and the brick. Thank you. So then you know what your teachers want you to do. Now let's see how to check your grades. So I want to check my grades. I'm going to click on the 3 lines in the top left corner, hit grades, and then which class do I want to see my grades in? Let's go with science. So in science, I have a 99% I have 99% in that class and an A. And then if I want to see what I did good on, I can just click on it, and then I want to see how good I did on my homework. So I'm going to click on that, and it'll show me how good I did on my homework. For the theory of plate tectonics, page 91, I got a C+. For the volcano assignment, I got an A. For the erosion and deposition assignment, I also got an A. So that's how you can see your grades and how good you did on your assignments. And now, lastly, if let's say you want to message a teacher about the assignment you did, because you didn't quite understand it and your mom didn't understand it either. So you're going to go here, you're going to click on the message icon, and you're going to hit compose. And then you're going to go to, and it'll pop up with this page, and let's say I want to send one to Mrs. Cabine. So I'm going to type in Mrs. Cabine, go to subject, and hit homework, because that's what the subject is. And then I'm going to type, I didn't understand the homework that we had. And then usually it'll pop up with this check mark being green, but since I don't have Miss Cabine for any of my classes, it's not going to pop up like that. But if you do have a teacher for a class and you really do need to text her or message her, I suppose, you will do that, and that'll pop up green. Thanks for watching.